There's an old saying, many hands make light work. This couldn't be more true than with the latest addition to our range of support accessories, the iFootage spider crabs. An ingeniously designed set of support arms which go where you go, consistently and safely supporting your valuable equipment, providing you with the time, space, and freedom to create. Spider crabs provide a reliable, modular system designed to support you, no matter where you find yourself working. This versatile system cleverly combines a variety of practical support options, providing you with even more creative choices and possibilities. Strong, lightweight, portable, and very, very durable, these support arms are a must-have for any creative's kit bag. Intuitively designed and built using high-quality anodized aluminum alloy and stainless steel materials, and reassuringly providing increased strength, rigidity, and absolute dependability. Spider crabs can be deployed in seconds, and once locked into position, stay locked, ensuring maximum support for your equipment. Thanks to our unique safety locking system, your kit stays perfectly secure at the most accident-critical time of attaching and detaching it. Designed to meet all your support needs, the spider crabs will quickly and safely support lamps, monitors, smartphones, microphones, and pretty much whatever else you can think of. Tactile and ergonomic design and build provides easy and effective adjustment and secure locking. Longevity is key, and long-life anti-slip positioning and locking systems mean that the spider crabs remain reliable long after other support arms have given up. Strong arm is our law. Each unit is capable of supporting a huge 6 kg vertical payload and hefty 2.2 kg horizontal payload. There are 5 models to choose from, including the spider crab support rod, providing different lengths and attachment systems, so you can select the system that suits your particular needs and budget. Our versatile, modular design spider crab support systems are perfect for all types of creatives. Whether you're a studio or location content producer, vlogger, single shooter, sports or action image maker, make sure there's some spider crabs in your production kit bag.